You yearn for greatness, an insatiable hunger burning within you, compelling you to turn every fleeting dream into tangible reality. The allure of living a life crowned with victory, where success dances at your feet, beckons you forward. But the path to such lofty heights is not for the faint-hearted. It demands unyielding dedication, an unwavering commitment to the grind. To excel, to truly soar above the rest, requires more than mere talent or ambition. It demands an unrelenting pursuit of excellence. You must be willing to push past the boundaries of comfort, to delve into the depths of your potential and emerge, transformed, on the other side. It's about embracing the discomfort, the uncertainty, and the challenges that lie in wait, knowing that each obstacle is but a stepping stone on the path to greatness. As you embark on this journey, expect resistance. The world will hurl doubt and skepticism your way, questioning your audacity to dream, your resolve to persevere. But let their words fall on deaf ears, for you know that true champions are not born from idle chatter, but forged in the crucible of unwavering determination. In the pursuit of excellence, there are no shortcuts, no easy victories. You must be willing to sweat, to bleed, to shed tears of frustration and triumph alike. It's about pushing yourself beyond the limits of what you once believed possible, shattering the self-imposed barriers that have held you back for far too long. Yet amidst the chaos and uncertainty, there is beauty in the struggle. It's in those moments of quiet perseverance, those solitary hours spent honing your craft, that you find solace. For it is here, in the depths of your dedication, that the seeds of greatness are sown. But greatness is not achieved in isolation. It is forged through collaboration and camaraderie. Surround yourself with those who share your vision, who push you to be better, to strive for more. For it is in the company of like-minded individuals that you find strength, inspiration, and unwavering support. And when the naysayers emerge, as they inevitably will, let their words serve as fuel for your fire. For every doubt cast your way, every criticism hurled in your direction, only serves to strengthen your resolve. You are not defined by the opinions of others, but by the unwavering belief you hold in yourself. So press on, my friend, with unwavering determination and unyielding perseverance. For the road to greatness may be long and arduous, but with each step forward, you draw closer to your dreams. And when you finally stand atop that mountain peak, gazing out at the endless expanse before you, know that it was not luck or chance that brought you here. It was your relentless pursuit of excellence, your unwavering commitment to the grind. As you embark on this journey, expect resistance. The world will hurl doubt and skepticism your way, questioning your audacity to dream, your resolve to persevere. But let their words fall on deaf ears, for you know that true champions are not born from idle chatter, but forged in the crucible of unwavering determination. In the pursuit of excellence, there are no shortcuts, no easy victories. You must be willing to sweat, to bleed, to shed tears of frustration and triumph alike. It's about pushing yourself beyond the limits of what you once believed possible, shattering the self-imposed barriers that have held you back for far too long. Grind in silence. It's a powerful mantra that encapsulates the essence of perseverance, dedication, and unwavering focus. But what does it truly mean to grind in silence? And why is it so essential on the journey towards greatness? When we talk about grinding in silence, we're referring to the idea of putting in the work without seeking external validation or recognition. It's about embracing the process, the hard work, and the sacrifices required to achieve our goals, without the need for applause or accolades. In a world that often glorifies instant gratification and overnight success, the concept of grinding in silence can seem counterintuitive. We're bombarded with images of flashy lifestyles, overnight sensations, and stories of seemingly effortless success. But the truth is, real success, the kind that lasts, is built on a foundation of hard work, perseverance, and dedication. Grinding in silence means staying focused on your goals, even when no one else believes in you. It means putting in the hours, the sweat, and the tears, knowing that every ounce of effort brings you one step closer to your dreams. It's about having the discipline to stay the course, even when the journey feels long and arduous. But perhaps most importantly, grinding in silence means having the confidence to trust in yourself and your abilities, even when the world around you doubts you. It's about knowing that true greatness doesn't need to be shouted from the rooftops. It speaks for itself through actions, not words. When we grind in silence, we free ourselves from the pressure of external expectations and judgments. We're not seeking validation or approval from others. We're driven by an inner fire, a burning desire to become the best version of ourselves. As you continue on your journey toward greatness, each step forward is a testament to your unwavering dedication and relentless pursuit of excellence. It's not just about reaching the summit, it's about the journey itself, the trials and triumphs, the lessons learned, and the growth experienced along the way. In the pursuit of greatness, there are no shortcuts, no quick fixes. It's about putting in the hard work, day in and day out, even when the path ahead seems daunting. It's about embracing the challenges, seeing them not as obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. And as you navigate the twists and turns of your journey, remember to stay true to yourself. Trust in your instincts, follow your passions, and never lose sight of the vision that propels you forward. For it is this unwavering sense of purpose that will guide you through even the darkest of times. But greatness is not achieved in isolation. It's about surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your vision, your drive, and your determination. Together, you can lift each other up, inspire one another, and achieve more than you ever thought possible. As you embark on this journey, expect resistance. The world will hurl doubt and skepticism your way, questioning your audacity to dream, your resolve to persevere. But let their words fall on deaf ears, for you know that true champions are not born from idle chatter, but forged in the crucible of unwavering determination. In the pursuit of excellence, there are no shortcuts, no easy victories. You must be willing to sweat, to bleed, to shed tears of frustration and triumph alike. It's about pushing yourself beyond the limits of what you once believed possible, shattering the self-imposed barriers that have held you back for far too long. So as you embark on this journey, I invite you to join our community. Subscribe to our channel where you'll find a treasure trove of resources, insights, and inspiration to fuel your pursuit of greatness. From motivational speeches to practical tips and strategies, we're here to support you every step of the way. But our community is more than just a collection of videos. It's a place where like-minded individuals come together to uplift and empower one another. It's a space where you can share your triumphs and your struggles, find encouragement when you need it most, and celebrate the victories, both big and small. So whether you're just starting out on your journey or you've been on the path for some time, know that you are not alone. Together, we can achieve anything we set our minds to. So join us, and together let's strive for greatness. Before I go, I want to thank you for being a part of this journey. Your support means the world to us, and we're excited to have you join our community. So hit that subscribe button, share these videos with your friends and loved ones, and let's continue to inspire each other to reach new heights. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep pushing forward, keep striving for greatness, and never stop believing in the power of your dreams.